Hey brother, welcome back to my channel. It's great to see you again. What I'm going to do in today's video, I'm going to show you how to make money online. Make over $15 per song by listening to music online. You can make money easy in this video. By following this very simple method, you can make up to $15 per song. It's easy and simple to make money online. So before we start this video, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification so don't miss out any of my future videos right now, and don't forget to make a quick like and make a comment below. I come out with videos daily where I will show you how to make a job online, how to start a business online, or how to get a job online, how to make money online through apps. Now let's get right into the video. So the site that you can make money on is called Playlist Push. You can make money on this site by listening to music. Like I said, you can make $15 per song. New artists go in here and they want to get some feedback and they want to get their music out there. They need to promote their music. They want to build a fan base. So out there, what they need to connect with creators, and basically they will start a campaign, which is what you want to start making money online. By listening to music online, they will pay $15 per song or even more. They will pay anything. So what you do next, what you're gonna do to start making money listening to music, you go on here and you review their music, and you get paid and you earn money online, and then you get paid from $2 to $15 per song or even more. It depends on how long you have been reviewing. It depends on your actual reputation. So you listen and get paid. So you go to this page. As you can see here, you get paid per review and you can earn up to $15 per song. Songs only go for about 2 to 3 minutes, 4 minutes max. As you can see here, $15 per song review. Pretty good money, paid per review. So as you can see here, by listening to music you get paid and you can earn easy money online. And here it's instant payouts. Request a payout at any time. We pay directly to your bank account, so you will get paid anytime. It depends on how much music you have reviewed and how much you earn. So here there is an evidence of music for you to listen to. There is an evidence of work in order to get paid, and there is a couple of conditions with this. This site Playlist Push is not going to allow anybody to go on here and start reviewing here. So what you need to do here, you need to grow a following through your Shopify account or Desire account. At least 300 followers on Apple Music or Shopify, and of course you need to have a pretty good ear for music. And I'm gonna show you how to grow your Shopify following. I'm gonna show you exactly how you can do that, and then you can get started. And then you can get started straight away, very quickly and very easy. So you need to go onto Playlist's website and you need to grow your following from the sound plate. Here you want to create obviously a playlist, and on this website you want to submit your playlist. And what that will do is other people will go on here and then they will start to follow you and listen to your playlist. It's easy and simple, and of course this is how you start to grow your Shopify account. So what I suggest you to do is to follow other people's accounts, Spotify accounts, and then in return they will start to follow you and they will listen to your playlist. It's easy way to grow your Shopify account. Now the next thing or tip that I suggested before you listening to music and make money online is you go onto SoundPlate. It's a pretty cool site, and this site has some fantastic playlists. I definitely recommend that you check it out. So what you want to do, you want to click onto playlist, and after that it's going to take you over to this page. It's helping you to grow your Shopify playlist, as you can see here. So here you added your Shopify playlist and grow your following, your Desire or Shopify playlist. So once you upload your playlist, they will come and listen to your playlist, and then your followers will increase. They will start to follow you and getting closer to get paid to listen to music. It's a really simple way to make money online. There is a search tab. It's one of those ways that you can use to grow your Shopify account. When I was doing the research for this type of industry, and that is through Reddit, it's one of the biggest search engines in the world. They run competitions on people's playlist, and here you want to submit your playlist on here. You can imagine how much people will start to follow your Spotify account. Once you submit your playlist into these competitions, you will easily get your 400 followers and you will start to make money listening to music. You can make $15 $15 per song. Like I said, it's easy and simple to make money listening to music. The more you listen, the more you earn. You will start to earn some really good money. So some really good money to be made. It's a simple way to make money listening to music online. Well, that's the end. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification so don't miss out any of my future videos. And don't forget to make a quick like and make a comment below. Stay safe and goodbye.